Siguro tumpak, pero nagkukuha ko yung parang gist ng gusto niya sabihin eh.
Very intelligent answer.
Yes. He's there as he is, na parang as authentic as he is.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
Naili!
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging final answer to the final Q&A ng ating top 5 for Mr.
Man of the World. Walang Mr.
Mr. Man of the World.
Man of the World 2024.
Without any further ado, partner,
Without any further kuda,
let's watch this. And mag-uumpisa tayo sa
fourth runner-up, Codor, Sebas Mora.
The title of the book is Les Miserables by Victor Hugo. The book.
I mean, before tayo mag-start, natutuwa ako sa pageant na to.
Yes.
Because it promotes education. Di ba yung books, like, educating
Super,
yourself.
super clear yung kanilang theme and yung gustong iparating na education talaga yung kanilang focus. Nung pagdating ng mga kandidata, meron ng stuffed toy, ganyan, instead of a bouquet of flowers or anything. Yung kanilang format sa kanilang final question and answer kasi kakaiba. So, meron silang mascot na parang mga plushie, tapos merong libro sa likod. Then yung libro, may title, tapos title ng libro, then quote from that book. Then, kailangan nilang i-expound.
Quote reads, even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Again, even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise.
I think that when you want to do something well in your life, you need to start in the night. Because the night is the most important for the next day. You need to do everything well, everything good, but the next day is the best day for you. It's not only for me, for everyone. So I want to improve, I want to inspire the other guys. Always have a good schedule in your life. Thank you so much.
Ang cute lang. He took it literally yung night doon sa quote. So kung ikaw, paano mo ba sasagutin yun? Or ano yung idea mo doon?
So sa akin, siguro ang kailangan mo i-digest kasi kung saan yung ibig sabihin ng quote eh. For me, it's about a hope na palaging in every darkness, merong sun na mag-arise kinabukasan. So parang don't lose hope, ganyan. Give it your best.
Pero somehow, nabanggit niya pa rin yung hope. Kung hindi lang sana niya tinake na literal na magsa-start ka,
sa gabi,
magsusumikap ka ng sa gabi, yung parang ganon. So ang susunod natin papanoorin ay naging sagot ni Man of the World, Puerto Rico, that's Fernando.
The book is all the light that we cannot see. Alright, here's the quote. Open your eyes and see what you can with them before they close forever. Again, open your eyes and see what you can with them before they close forever.
Ang ganda, no?
If I close my eyes for the last time, that I want to see before that is my mom face because she's my angel, she's my guardian, and she is the last thing that I want to see at the last day of my life. I want to say thank you, Philippines, and grow up and learn, read, because when you read, this is fit for the soul, your mind, and your spirit. So for that reason, that was important, the education too. Thank you.
Ang cute lang nila, parang silang mga mga bata na sumasagot, but hindi naman niya nasagot yung kumbaga hindi niya na
siguro tumpak, pero nagkukuha ko yung parang gist ng gusto niya sabihin eh. Kasi ang parang pagkakaintindi ko na parang experience mo lahat, ganyan, bago ka mamatay, bago you close your eyes.
Ang pagkakaintindi niya kasi parang nandun yung barrier ng English tsaka yung Spanish. Ang pagkakaintindi niya sa tanong is, sino ang pinakahuli mong gustong makita pag nagsara na yung mata mo, parang gano'n.
Pero at the end, gusto ko yung last statement niya na yung parang reading, it opens your soul, ay parang gano'n, feeds your soul. So, yun yung part na yun na sakto sana doon sa quote kung na-i-connect lang ng maayos.
Na, kumbaga, yung sagot naman niya is meron pa rin siyang puso.
The title of the book is The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas. Here's the quote.
I love the
point of having a voice? If you're gonna be silent in those moments, you shouldn't be. Again, what's the point of having a voice? If you're gonna be silent in those moments, you shouldn't be.
Asolate. I don't know Asolate, but Asolate. Okay. And when I was young, I don't say Asolate, and I see this on my school. But right now, I just want to say for the little child and the little children, if you have a lot of problem at the school, say it, because all your life it's important for this. Sorry for my English, but I want to say it in English, but it's important for me because when I... Thank you so much.
Ang cute niya lang. Ang cute lang nila. Like, you know,
hindi sila pressure, na-enjoy lang nila.
And at least, diba, yung merong isang platform, merong pageant na parang they don't see each other as competitor, ganyan. Ang pinaka-competitive lang talaga dito si Philippines.
Ayun, kung ikaw ba yung mag-expound tungkol dun sa quote, paano mo siya sasabihin?
It's the same as what's the point of you getting the education, the proper education, when at the end of the line, you don't know how to use that power, yung knowledge na na-gain mo. Parang kumbaga, kung tatahi-tahimik ka lang,
kailan kailangan yung boses mo sa hindi...
O di kaya yung kaya mo lang na sabihin yung mga gusto mong play safe ka lang, ganyan. So, yeah, it's correct. Like, I would rather don't have the power and then hindi ko rin naman siya gagamitin sa tamang paraan. Parang ayoko maging politiko kung hindi ko rin naman kayang panindigan yung pinaka-description ng pagiging politician na public service. Ganun lang. So, ang next na natin, ito na si...
Ang ating first runner-up from Philippines, si Kenneth Kabungkal.
Is entitled Frankenstein by Mary Shelley.
Okay, so your quote goes, "Beware, for I am fearless and therefore powerful." Once again, beware, for I am fearless and therefore powerful.
Or I was just a bird without a wings. But education really helped me, give me wings to fly. Now I am fearless. Now I am powerful. This is a testimony that education will really help you grow as a person. It equipped me, it helped me improve my intellectual capacity, it improves me, my characteristic as a whole. In this, I hope that someday every children in this world, and every people in this world will have education. Because in that, if everyone is educated, everyone is empowered and capable. Thank you so much!
Very intelligent answer.
Yes.
Witty naman yung sagot niya na parang tinrate niya na power is yung education. Which is true naman. My point na being educated gives you the power na hindi ka na pwedeng tapak-tapakan kasi of course, you have knowledge na ganyan. What is the partner?
Nafe-feel ko yung niya, yung passion niya na yung, alam mo yung makikibaka ka tapos parang yun yung parang battle cry mo talaga na gusto mo sabihin. So, may mga buckle pero yung puso kasi yung nakikita natin kay Kenneth.
Lastly, we do have from Venezuela, Sergio Nana Flora.
Entitled Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Here is your quote. It is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. Again, it is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities.
For me, sometimes you have the ability of trying to be a person with really we are not. So the choices show who really you are. You can try to be, or you can have the ability to fake or try to be a person that you are not. But your choices really show who you are. Thank you so much.
Ayun. Ang nakikita ko kasi doon, talagang he's oozing with charm. Na nasagot naman niya, 'di ba? Na may pagka-cute na which is bumenta sa judges and they felt like siya yung magiging good representation ng organization, ganyan.
Oo. Kasi hindi lang naman yun yung part ng competition eh. They accounted din yung preliminaries, ganyan yung hanggang sa pagdating nila. And si Venezuela kasi talaga yung nag-shine yung personality niya. He's there as he is, na parang as authentic as he is. Kasi pag sa mga videos niya, super jolly, super friendly.
Kumbaga nakita mismo yun nung hindi lang yung mga judges, kundi yung mga fans, kung paano niya itrato yung mga fans. Diba, na-appreciate yun. Siyempre, may bearing din yun no, kung ang representative or yung ambassador ng company or business mo is someone na ma-PR. So, makakatulong din yun. So, and then kudos to this man of the world na pageant. Male pageant actually siya. And sobrang nakakatuwa lang din talaga yung kanilang vision, yung kanilang series of events kasi while they are trying to educate themselves with the knowledge, pinopromote kasi din nila dito is yung reading the books, parang ganyan. And then truly understanding kung ano yung nandun.
So I think nga yung sinasabi nila na reading tsaka yung education kasi from the start of basic education to continuous education hanggang sa mamatay ka na parang ganun ka-importante yun.
Bakit patay na yung pinag-uusapan natin dito? Makuhay muna tayo.
Hindi. Gusto ko lang sabihin yung lifespan ng tao. Kailangan talaga ng...
In short, kumbaga, kung whatever knowledge you gain, hindi talaga yun mananakaw. Sa'yo lang yun. So, ayun. And mag-aral lang tayo ng mabuti. What? So, thank you guys. At sinamahan niyo ako sa nagdaang reaction. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So, keep watching us in the next video. Bye!